In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to your Wix website step by step. This process is crucial if you want to enable visitors to connect with you directly through your website. We'll be setting up an email contact form on your Wix site, ensuring messages from your audience are delivered right to your inbox. To start, you'll need to open the Wix editor. Navigate to your site within Wix and select Edit Site. This will open up the editor where you'll be able to customize the various elements of your website. Once in the editor, you'll want to add a form. Click on the plus add button, then hover over Contact and Forms and choose Contact Form. From here, you have the liberty to choose a design that suits your website's aesthetic and simply drag it onto the desired section of your page. Now that the contact form is on your page, it's essential to set up where these submissions will be sent. Click on your newly added form to bring up the form settings. Within form settings, navigate to email notifications. This is where you'll specify the recipient email address, whether it's your personal or business account. Doing this ensures that any message submitted through your site is seamlessly sent to your inbox. Additionally, Wix gives you the option to connect this form to their inbox or CRM for streamlined lead management, which can be particularly useful if you're managing a large number of inquiries. With the form set up, it's time to customize the fields to suit your needs. You can add or remove fields to collect specific information, like name, phone number, or message. As you adjust these fields, make sure to pay attention to the styling so that it complements the overall design of your site. This ensures a cohesive look and enhances user experience. Once you're satisfied with your contact form and have configured all the settings, it's crucial to test it before you go live. Save your changes, then publish your site. This pushes all your updates live on the web, making the new contact form available to your visitors. To ensure everything's working correctly, submit a test message through the form. Check your email inbox to verify that the message was received, confirming that your form is functioning as intended. And there you have it. Your email contact form is now live on your Wix website. This setup not only allows for seamless communication between you and your site visitors, but also provides a professional touch to your website. Thanks for following along and happy communicating.